Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my April 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. I usually try to do these as a try-on kind of style. However, today when I looked inside the box, I realized that 3 out of the 5 products I probably would never use. So 2 of the 5 products are on my face today, and the rest of them I'm going to be donating or seeing if like my sisters want them or something like that. I'm kind of sad because I usually do like the Boxycharm products. Like that's what got me started in liking to do makeup and stuff like that was Boxycharm. But this month was just a little bit different. Sometimes that happens, you know, makeup's a hit and miss. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like this month. Boxycharm did send out an email this month saying that our products were packaged with gloves and in a very sanitized area and stuff like that. So if you were curious, they seem to be taking care of things on their end. So this month's theme of the box is Boxycharm Festival Vibes. And I'm hopeful that the quality of this video, like that I'm in focus for the most part, because I don't have my glasses on and I don't have contacts in. My eyes are just really tired, and then when I tried to put my glasses on, the glare from my lighting was just too much, so here we are. Also in the box is a coupon for 20% off of your purchase on makeuperaser.com. I'll put the link down below if you want to use it. It's Boxy20. It just says enjoy 20% off of your purchase on makeuperaser.com. So that's pretty cool. I know that some people actually got makeup erasers in their box, and I was looking forward to getting one, but guess I didn't. The first thing in the box are these, and these are the Baddington lashes. These are the Harlow 3D Silk Lash with mini glue, which there is a little tiny mini lash glue in there. It's really cute. It says this 3D lash provides dramatic length and volume. This is a full-size product and these retail for $31. I personally just don't use false lashes. I have heard from many of my favorite YouTubers that if you use it too often, blah 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 blah, that the glue can actually pull out your natural lash. And I personally like my lashes. My lash length is very nice. I just wish that there was more volume and more curl, but that's why I personally curl my lashes. These I will see if my sister would like them, or I will just be donating them. Next thing in the box is this guy right here, and this is the Iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. I got mine in the shade Peekaboo, and I had contemplated using this because normally lip glosses are very sheer, but plumping lip glosses tend to really hurt and burn my lips, so I just didn't feel like using that, and I don't know if I will ever feel like using it. And this shade is just so light for me. Pinks don't really look good on my skin. I'm more of a nude or mauve toned. This is a full-size product and it retails for $26. And the last guy that I know I will not be using is this guy right here. And honestly, I used to use the professional, the original one, the professional primer. However, Benefit Cosmetics is not cruelty free, and if you guys don't know, I am trying very hard to use up the products that are no longer cruelty free that are in my collection, and then strictly just buying products that are cruelty free. So Benefit Cosmetics, there's nothing wrong with it. I've never tried this particular primer because this one's new or newer. However, the original professional primer was amazing and I loved it. So if it was cruelty free, I would definitely use this. But like I said, this is the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Hydrated Primer. And it just hydrates the skin, instantly moisturizes, and refreshes skin, helps makeup stay put, minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. I will definitely agree with that. It does minimize the look of pores and fine lines. Next thing in the box is this guy right here, and it is the Iconic London Illuminator. And I actually use this in conjunction with my foundation. I mixed it in with my foundation. I probably could have used one more drop, but I got a little nervous. And I only used about 1.5 drops, and I probably could have used like a solid 2 drops. But I actually like how my foundation looks with this. I could definitely see, like if I'm looking up close, I could see like little specks of glitter, but it's like so fine and that it's not that bad, and I'm not mad at it at all. And honestly, if I tried, not on camera, but if I tried really, really hard, I could probably try and get this to work as a highlighter, because it's just very, very, very pretty. And I got mine in the shade Blush. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $41. $41, holy moly. And the last product is the one that I used for my eyes today, and this is the Zoeva Matte Palette. And this palette is just gorgeous. I love everything about this. So I'm really, really excited. I knew right off the bat that I was going to love this, even though it's only matte. Sometimes that's what I'm feeling. I'm just feeling to have a matte look. And honestly, I love the look that I came up with today. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $28.
Now we have 32 plus 28 plus 41 plus 26 plus 31.
So $158 was the grand total retail price of this month's box. Again, like I said, because I only will use 2 out of the 5 products, I'm just going to add those together. And my retail value was only $69. Which, that's not bad either. I only paid $25, so that's not too bad. Makeup is not always going to be a world of hits. It's going to be hits and misses, and sometimes that's how subscription boxes are as well. They can't always please everybody. So I'm not that mad. I still love Boxycharm. So yeah, guys, that completes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.